Right, so if you use the cross-section grid annotation group that is delivered by default with OpenRose Designer, when you cut cross sections, the stationing here doesn't carry the station equation with it. You'll notice that we're on 5200 R2, and when we look at these stations here in the cross sections, we don't see the station equation number on there. So what we need to do is change the text favorite then to have the stationing show the station equation on there. So to do that, we're going to switch over to the DGN lib that has the text favorites in it. So once that DGN is loaded, we're going to go to place text. We're going to go to the text favorites, and we're going to hit the manage button and manage the text favorites. The text favorite that's being used for that station is this full station text favorite there. And if we click on it, we can see that it has this drop equation name set to true. So what I want to do is I'm going to create a new text favorite down here, and I'm going to call it full station with equation. And add that there, and I'm going to choose from the Open Roads plan annotation fields that same point station value, and I'm going to make sure drop equation name is set to false on this one. So I'm going to hit accept on there to add it. I'm going to save that in my text favorites, and now that that's saved, I'm going to switch back over to my other DGN and add that text favorite back to the annotation group. So I'm back in the DGN file now that has my drawing models in it for the cross sections. I'm going to go to annotation groups, going to go to that cross section drawing, cross section grid with annotation group. And that annotation group that controls that is the sheet grid, and it's going to be that horizontal axis label. So we'll scroll down to horizontal axis title here. And the favorite we want to use is actually going to be full station with equation. So we'll scroll down to the bottom and see if that gets picked up somewhere. There it is, full station with equation down at the bottom. And we'll say okay with that. Now that that's added in our annotation group, all I'm going to do is switch over to one of those drawing models. Here's one that has a region number on it, and going to remove my model annotation and then re-annotate it. And now that I have that station equation turned on there, it's going to show that in the annotation.